What's up guys, this is Austin from Billetworkz. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Billetworkz shift knob on a Veloster N. This will also be the same fitment as the Elantra N, so let's get into it. So I have our performance blue short teardrop here with a 6B pattern with the N logo engraved. Now our short teardrop has a larger base to it, which allows it to function properly with a factory reverse lockout. So first step is removing the shift knob. So in order to remove the stock knob, you're going to need to pull with a lot of force to pop it off. I like to pull from over top of the knob rather than beside, then you don't have the chance of hitting yourself in the head with it. So I'm going to get over top and I'm going to twist it while I pull very hard and it should pop right off. Next we'll grab our Billetworkz adapter. We'll just slide this over top. We'll find a good spot for it. And then we can lock in the set screws. I make sure that our top set screws will still grab on the metal shaft. Next, we'll grab the Billetworkz shift knob. We can thread that down. Now chances are the engraving is going to be crooked. So I need to go about 45 more degrees with the threaded adapter. So I'll spin the knob back off. And readjust the adapter. We'll retry that in a new spot. This might take a few tries to get it perfect, but hopefully I'll get it good on this try. That actually looks pretty good. Now, if you want to use one of our other shift knobs that doesn't have the larger base like the short teardrop, this is our Fusion here. You'll need one of our taller adapters. This will just allow the knob to sit a little bit higher so there's still proper reverse lockout clearance. But as you can see, our adapters are black for the taller knobs for a nice clean look. Now that I'm finished with the install of our Billetworkz shift knob and the Veloster N, head over to our website, billetworkz.com, or shoot us an email if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.